Kejvi here with another Tradesyncer tutorial. If you're watching this video, you probably know that you need Tradesyncer. The question is, which plan do you actually choose? So let's talk about that. This is the first screen that you're going to see once you sign up for your free Tradesyncer account. And the first step, it says choose your plan. So let's actually do that. We're going to click View Plans button, and we will be presented with this page with three of the accounts. Again, Basic, Pro, and the Flex. The Pro is the most popular one, but let's start from the basic. Let's see what you get with it. So first of all, you get 2 connections and 10 accounts per connection. Very important because this is one of the biggest differences between the account types is the amount of connections and the amount of accounts per connection. So what does a connection mean? It could mean 2 different things. It could mean 2 prop firms or 2 brokers. So let's say you have a prop firm account, but that prop firm offers 2 different brokers. It could be one with Tradovate, one with Quantower, Rhythmic connection. That will count as 2 different connections, even though it is one prop firm. Or it could also be 2 connections as 2 different prop firms, as long as you are using only one broker in each, right? So if you have a Tradovate connection at one prop firm, and another Rhythmic connection or a Tradovate connection at another prop firm, it counts as 2 connections, okay? And it also allows you 10 accounts per connection, meaning 20 accounts in total. You do get real-time trade synchronization, which basically that's what Tradesyncer does, right? Syncs your trades in real time across all of your accounts. You can access it in any device. That's another benefit with Tradesyncer. It can work on your laptop, computer, and even mobile device. You have unlimited trade copying groups. So if you want to group accounts together, basically sometimes you trade another group and sometimes you trade a certain group, you do get that unlimited grouping. Bracket orders do work on this account, right? So if you are someone who uses bracket orders on your leader account, it will work with the basic plan. Advanced copying trade execution nodes. Tradesyncer has a lot of built-in tools to help you manage risk better, to manage the follow synchronization much better, which we're going to talk about in the following tutorials, but that comes with the basic plan. Risk management features, super helpful, right? If you want to lock yourself out after hitting a certain dollar amount, it comes with the basic plan. You get the economic calendar, so you always want to be on top of the events that are happening for the week. That comes with this plan. And lastly, but as much as important as the others, it's advanced reporting, journaling, and analytics. So Tradesyncer does have a built-in trading journal. You can either upload your trades manually or automatically directly from the accounts that you link here. Super helpful if you want to keep track of your trades, if you want to journal, and just understand where you're making money, what's making you lose money, and so on and so forth. So that comes with the basic plan for only $49 a month. The same benefits go into the Pro and the Flex. Again, only the connections do change. So on the Pro plan, you have 4 connections, right? Double. And now you also have 20 accounts per connection. That's 80 accounts in total. And lastly, the Flex plan, you have unlimited connections and a total of 120 accounts. Additional accounts are available. So if you ever want more than 120 accounts, you can always reach out to the Tradesyncer team. They will happily set up more accounts for you. So the Pro comes at $99 a month and the Flex at $149 a month. Now, you do also get a discount if you upgrade to annual. It's a 20% discount, which you can start with Tradesyncer for only $39 a month. Whichever plan you choose, whether it's the monthly or the annual, you still do get a 7-day free trial. So if you want to select the monthly and click the trial, you have a 7-day completely free trial. You do not get charged a single penny until that 7th day. Same thing goes for the annual as well. If you do choose the annual and decide to cancel in 7 days, you do not get charged. So hopefully this video showed you a little bit more of what the plans are and which one suits you the best. Basically, what type of trader you are, right? So if you are solo, if you're just starting out, the basic is more than enough. If you are trading with 4 prop firms or 4 different brokers, probably the Pro is the best one. And if you are trading a lot of accounts and have been trading for quite some time, then the Flex would be the best plan for you. Again, my name is Kejvi, and I'm going to be your guide here throughout the rest of these Tradesyncer tutorials. And the next one, we're going to talk about adding your first connection.